Imagine a New York City where every kid, just like me, can enjoy healthy meals. Picture families like mine, sitting around the table, talking about our day and sharing a delicious meal. It's important that all families have access to nutritious food that help us grow and succeed, and that's what SNACC is all about. They're here to make sure that we have the best chance to do well in school, stay healthy, and learn important skills that will help us in life.
SNACC starts with kids in the kitchen, but its impact echoes throughout the communities that we serve. That's because at the end of the day, SNACC is about more than cooking. It's about helping families connect, communicate, and make healthier choices together. Through SNACC, students learn foundational leadership skills, which creates lasting change both in and out of the home.
My name is Dayanita, and I'm the delivery lead. Looking at their faces and seeing the smile when they get the food and seeing how excited they are to cook for Tuesday, I think that's my favorite memory. That's the best part, is just teaching the kids how to cook and just watching them with their family eating and them enjoying what they cooked.
Every week they deliver the food on Sundays mornings. We prepare the food on Tuesday with a chef named Chef Blair, and then they cook the food with the kids, and then at the end we all taste a bite of the food and we give a feedback of is it good, 1 through 10. That's what they do. My daughter, Liz Mary, is more confident in herself. She's more confident in cooking and reading labels and nutrition.
SNACC has helped hundreds of students. Through the program, students have grown closer with their families and shown improvement in school. 100% of SNACC students say the program has made them feel more confident, independent, and open-minded.
My favorite part of SNACC is not only being able to see how much growth I've made, but as well being able to share these experiences with other students who are around my age. SNACC has influenced my personal journey by showing me that I don't have to have certain expectations for myself, that I know I could go well beyond that. And as well, it's really opened my eyes into what I want to do for my future. With SNACC, I'm actually being able to see myself working in a restaurant or creating my own catering business. So it's definitely opened my eyes to showing me that I can do more than what I expect myself to do.
SNACC helped Miliani, my daughter, a lot, because before she gets scared when she started to prepare some meal for her, but now she enjoys it. She loves to cook. She helped me a lot. When I start cook, she said, oh, can I cut the onion? Can I cut this? And she improved a lot. Now she can do whatever she wants to do. Being part of SNACC is amazing. I love it. When they finish the year, I was sad, because it's not only about the food that we receive, it's about to be part of SNACC. For me, it's amazing. It's a privilege.
Sharing meals with my family makes me feel older, it makes me feel helpful. It just makes me proud of myself. When I joined SNACC, I was really introverted. I was scared to be having to show everyone how I do the cooking, how I do the chopping and everything. But I've grown, and now I can cook in front of people. It feels nice being a part of a group and cooking in places with other people. I talk to my friends about SNACC and I tell them how I applied, and I now am making new dishes. I always mention every food I made of the week, and I let my friends know how fun it is.
I'm really happy that my son is in this program, because it put me close with my son. And I'm really happy that now he feels more happy, that he understands me. And I want other kids to know that this program exists. My son learned a lot. He never could before. He enjoyed it. So I'm saying thank you, and I hope he can continue.
With your help, SNACC is making possibilities into a reality for families across New York City. Join us in building a happier, healthier community, one recipe at a time.